I was originally out here in nature to post something on my OnlyFans, but look at the beautiful nature and the pine trees. This lady saw me picking some pine needles. She probably thought it was weird, but it's okay. We're all in kind of semi-quarantine right now, so there's nothing else to do and it's boring. I like going out in nature and recharging. I know I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm sorry. I'm super far from the house, but I've never been down here and it just looks so peaceful, and I wanted you to enjoy it with me and take you with and admire with me. You guys have been awesome. Just my website has been going crazy. TonyBomboni.com, onlyfans.com/TonyBomboni. Oh my gosh. So many bookings. I lost count. You guys, I don't mean this boast, but I've made like 5 times my Patreon on my website alone. So it's like, that just shows your support. And again, it really, really flipping means a lot, okay? But I decided to take yesterday, Thursday, and today off Friday. And Saturday and Sunday, which I always take off, unless I'm uber busy and trying to catch up. But yeah, I'm just spinning around. You guys requested another biking video, so you enjoy. I've been kind of nervous lately. I don't want to expose what's been going on, but I've just been kind of nervous about something. But it's just a life-changing event, and just wish me luck. Okay, anyway, so I'm just gonna go for a gentle stroll. I decided to kind of try this semi-ASMR style. I love watching Young Haiying do her nature videos, and she's like, "Hello, dear friends." Falls asleep instantly. Sorry, that was not relaxing. Okay, this is not ASMR, it's just a vlog, but there's no one here, and I'm enjoying this. And I got up super early to go biking. It's currently like 8 in the morning, so I've been up since 5. And just chilling. Chilling like a villain with penicillin. It's uber peaceful. I just wanted to share. Just a gentle stroll. I kind of always wanted to live in the mountains, to be honest, because it's just so peaceful. Like, if I ever had to move Florida, I would go to Montana, probably. Although I'm not a fan of their houses, but other than that, if I can live with the bears, birds, and trees, why not? Just a peaceful stroll. Just a gentle, peaceful stroll. Let's not focus on what's going on in Florida right now. Let's just focus on calm and peace. You're safe. You're protected. And whatever happens is destined. It's already predetermined and meant to be in your soul contract. There's nothing you can do to prevent or stop it from occurring. Just let it go. I'm currently smelling the boat gas. There's canals here. Beautiful homes. I've never been here. I mean, it's really gorgeous. This is not my usual route home. Someone there, so I'm gonna put the camera down, but this is definitely not my usual route home at all. But look at this. I'm gonna slow down again. I just don't want to record the person there, because you know how people act when you record them. They freak out. Alright. You know what? I don't care if they see me vlogging. I lost care. There's too much going on in the world right now to care. If someone sees you recording, I went to the park earlier, and now I'm on this unusual detour of a route, which I love. You can see the water from here. These homes must have it really nice, although during the summer, tons of mosquitoes, and there's a boat. So, I mean, I've heard from people here that it's not nice to live in the canals because of the mosquito problem. Although they do spray, they come back and reproduce. So it's not that pleasant. And there's someone else. Oh, that's just a person for Exterminator. Lols. Oh my god, I always wanted an RV too. These people have it really nice here. A pool, a canal, and an RV. I mean, that's like $1 million right there. Not the RV, but all of that combined. Plus probably their nice cars. I just have a stinking lot. And a house. On a bare lot, no nothing, no pool, no canal. Anyway, let's stop. Let's shut up. Let's slow down and admire the grass. Who cares what you have? Because you know what? Many people have way more than you, and many people have way less. So who cares, right? I'm not an egotistical, materialistic person. Although they do say, now I'm just rambling at this point, but they do say that materialistic people are more antisocial, and I'm the epiphany of antisocialism, if that's what you call it. But I'm not materialistic. I'm actually uber cheap. Okay, let's breathe. Let's breathe. Ignore people's opinions about you. Like someone the other day said I'm too skinny. And then, of course, there's people who call me too fat, but that's another story. But that I should gain more muscle and be bulky like a typical man. And sending me advice about how to be a man and all this ish. Excuse me, but I'm happy in my own skin. And I've always felt, oddly enough, a mix of both genders. I'm not considering myself both genders, but I always felt like, you know, both. So, it's not my priority to get muscular, and some women like to get muscular, and some women are straight and they like to get muscular, but that's not me. I'm not that kind of person. Mosquito. I had to shoo it off with my phone. A foot shot. Yeah, but I don't care if my arms are skinny, you know? It doesn't make me happy to bulk up. I don't care. I have really nice legs and feet. I bike a lot, and I like being toned. I like a slim toned body on myself. And you know what? On others as well. If it's like for a relationship or whatever. But, well, maybe a little extra. I always like a little extra in someone. But anyway, that's beyond the point. This isn't a dating website. I'm just saying that's my preference, and who cares how I look? Too much going on in the world right now for you to care about my presentation on camera. Another mosquito. Ow. Okay, let's keep moving before I catch something I don't want to catch. I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, I kind of know. Not really. Those porta potties really smell bad. Oh my god, so much trash. Anyway, guys, I'm doing just fine. In case you're wondering, in case you're interested, private property. Okay, that's new. Didn't know you could put that sign there. Wow, these mosquitoes are savage in Florida. There's too much going on in Florida. Why do we have to have this problem now? Oh my gosh. Dear God, help us. Dear God, please. Help us through this. Okay, stay safe, everyone. Just breathe. Just breathe. If you're from Florida, just breathe. Stay home. As much as you can with your protective thing covering. Okay. Nothing to do today, but you know what? I'm gonna sit in the boredom. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna force myself not to do anything. Because sometimes life is just about being in the stillness, and that's it. Being okay with the boredomness of it all. I think that's everything. I'm gonna get going, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through life. Sorry for the cameras moving around a lot and shaky, but that's everything. want to pause it. Okay, bye guys.